Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Cherise Faith, and
Okay.
I'm your nurse for today. So today, sir, is I'll be going to quick check to see how you're doing overall today. Okay, if we start now,
Yes,
pwede,
ma'am.
pwede ba kang malingkod ng talent, sir?
Okay, Bob.
Okay. So, before we start, is mag-disinfect siya ako na answer, ha? So, ako sa lang tawag imuhang skin, sir, ha?
Okay.
Mm, it's evenly colored. No, ginay mong usual skin tone,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay. So, I see you wearing thin clothing, sir. Gipili ba nini mo kay tungod sa weather or kining ganhan lang ka na
Inahan
suot?
lang ko, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So, nakita na ko, sir, na limpyo kay kasi mong kagalingon. Mao gid na imuhang gi-follow ba nimo ang daily routine para sa imuhang kuan taking care of yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So, na-notice pa na ako, sir. Nandito mo nilingkuran, sir, no? Dayon, comfortable na ba ka na imong nilingkuran, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, kaning pwede ba ta mo lingkod, sir? Ay mo tindog rather. Mo tindog, sir, kailan taon na kun sa imo pag imuhang nilaktan, sir. Kaning slow lang na steps, sir, ha? Kanang
Okay.
forward and back, sir. Okay ra nimo, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pwede ta mo tindog, sir. Ako sa observe, sir, ha? Sila ka dito, sir. Kanang slow mo lang, sir. Oo. Ah, pwede pa balik, sir? Balik na. Balik ng pag sir.
Okay.
Okay ra mong reluctant, sir, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just noting your overall body build. Do you stay active or nag you or do things para manatili ang atong kakusgan, sir? Exercise ba ka or else
Sometimes.
um
Yes, ma'am.
what kind of exercise, sir?
Ano, ma'am? Jogging, ma'am, and
Mm,
whatever.
okay. So, to check how alert you are, pwede ba nimo itil imong pangalan dayon asa ta karon? Then kaning unsa ta adlaw ron?
Um, I am J. Briggs Albohol, ma'am, and natakaroon sa hospital
What? Unsa man ta adlaw karon, sir?
and January 29.
Okay, January 29,
Yes, ma'am.
2026. Okay. Unsa man ato ang na-feel ron, sir? Naka-feel ba ka ang pain sa imong kalawasan or else?
Gamay, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for being so helpful through this, sir, ha? You're seeming really calm. Are you feeling relaxed talking with me and drawing these small cheeks?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Nakita na ako, sir, na relax kay imong expression or okay ra ba sa imong pamati nga while gatok ta is ga eye contact.
Okay ra, ma'am.
It is usually mao jud imong ginahimo while you interact other people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Well, gatok to, sir, notice po na ako na ang pag-deliver bitaw sa imong ministerihan is very clear kaayo. Mao jud na imong ministerihan, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's good to hear, sir. Next is let's talk about pain, something we all experience from time to time. So there are no rights or wrongs, sir, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Um, it depende ra nimo if unsa imong na feel ka, sir. Na mao pud imong i-answer or you're comfortable with So, mangutana ko nimo, sir.
Okay.
What? First, what are you feeling right now, sir? Okay ra ba mo hang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When the pero na ba kayo na feel na pain right now, sir?
Naa, ma'am.
Hmm. So when did this pain start, sir? Kano sa man na?
Unyaging si Mana.
Ah, kaning kalit-kalit lang?
Kalit-kalit lang, ma'am.
Okay. Kaning asa man dyan ang exactly mo na feel, sir? Kaning asa man dapita? I-point daw, sir. Asa dapita, sir?
Sa baga, ma'am.
Asa dapit, sir?
Rin, ma'am.
Okay din ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, unsa ni sir kaning constant ni siya, sir, or kaning mo abot lang siya, or sa ba?
No, kalit-kalit na siya, ma'am.
Kalit-kalit lang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unsa man mo na feel gid, sir, na ngol ba, or what else?
Sometimes, no siya sometimes.
Do you have any dizziness or swelling right now, sir? Or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, na ba kay ginahimo, sir, para relief na imuhang sakit sa imong abaga? Like resting or taking medicine, or sa man, sir, imuhang ginahimo para ma-relief na imong sakit sa imong abaga? Nag-rest ba ka, or...
Nag-rest, ma'am.
Okay. So, na ba kay ginatake na medicine? Or
Naa,
wala?
ma'am.
Okay, sir. On scale of 0 to 10, so ang 0 is wala na siya pain. Then si 10 is mauna siya ang kining worst pain, sir. So, can you imagine how would you rate it right now? Asa na?
5.
Okay. So, how you ever had anything before?
Ma'am?
Nana ba kayo na pain nga sakit sa imuhang kuan sa una?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that, sir. Sa imong family, sir, is naabay naka-encounter dito na sakit sila, like your parents, your siblings?
No, ma'am.
Ah. If you have something in your family has pain, kaning at home, naka-epekto ba ni sa inyong kaning mga gawain like chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's talk about the pain might affect different parts of your life. Even if you're not in pain now, it's good to think about, are you worried that pain could change? You are doing daily activities like walking or cleaning. Kuan ba ka, sir? Like activities na hinsog po sa
Yes, ma'am.
lawas. Okay. That's all, sir. Everything for today's assessment. Thank you for being so open and patient with me, sir. So, napakailaing question about sa ato ang himo ron.
Nothing so far, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, rather. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
As always,